Today, the South African Revenue Service reports a tax revenue preliminary result of 1.356 trillion, which represents a year-on-year growth of 5.3%. This result is net of 291 billion of refunds that we paid to taxpayers, and it was achieved in a struggling economy with an annual nominal GDP growth of 4.8%, well below the Treasury initial forecast of 7% at the time of the February announcement by the Minister of Finance. So therefore, in summary, a 5.3% revenue growth within a nominal GDP of 4.8%.